We are going to try Timios.
It's look nice.
These are vegetable and vegetable flavored
Yeah.
puffs, kind of puffs.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Let's open spinach and lime puffs. It's
Spinach and lime puffs.
Okay, let's open it. It's very small.
Small.
Yeah.
What is the color of this?
Like
Spinach.
it's very small. Many. Okay, let's taste it.
Does it taste like spinach?
Small.
I love it.
Smell it first. How is the smell? Lime flavor is coming.
No. No lime.
Can you taste spinach?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
We can taste spinach but no lime.
but I like it.
तो कैसा लगा तुम्हें?
बहुत अच्छा.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Spinach. Let me have a taste.
अच्छा है इसका टेस्ट.
Not one of my. It's good, but not my favorite.
Not my favorite.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
100 out of 10.
100.
5 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Then you like this one.
100 out of 10. 5.
Okay, Tia Aku, we are going to try new Timios spinach and lime. These are healthy chips, healthy snacks.
See, spinach. You eat spinach now? Green color.
I love it.
First taste it, then say. No. First taste it. Taste it. Have a bite. These are specially for babies now. That's why they are so small. Okay. You like it like this or this?
She's not
okay.
sure. She's not
Okay.
sure.
Okay.
Okay. ठीक.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not good.
खराब भी नहीं है, अच्छा भी नहीं है. Okay है.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Good.
Will you eat it again? आप दोबारा खाओगे इसको? हाँ? खाओगे दोबारा? इवनिंग में खाओगे? फोकेरो देखते देखते खाओगे? हाँ? नहीं खाओगे. Let me try it. She don't like it. Actually, the flavor is there is no flavor of spinach in it.
Very
And
light flavor.
Lime is also not there. Yeah, very light flavor actually.
You can taste the grains.
Only grains.
You can taste the corn, but not this one.
There's no flavor of spinach. That's and if they give little bit, flavor of tanginess or something, then she might like it. It's completely
But
flavorless.
maybe they tried straight up spinach and lime, but it's not that good.
So next we are going to try tomato and cheese rings.
Okay, let's open it.
Ooh, rings.
Oh,
Do you like the color?
very small. It's small.
Very small ring.
It's
This is
like
for 2+ year. That's why it's
It's
quite
like,
small for baby bites.
cereals. It's like cereals.
Yeah.
Cereals.
Can you taste? Tell me the taste.
It's like Motu Patlu rings.
Yeah. Can you taste the tomato and cheese flavor?
Yeah.
No
Yes.
tomato, not
Yeah.
even cheese. I can't taste it.
But I taste it.
First eat it, then tell us. No?
Plain.
Can you eat 2 more and tell us?
I love it.
Tia? Can you now taste the flavor? Is it good or not? It's good. So Tia needs to eat more to know the taste. We need to give her at least 3 to 4. Then she will know the taste. Is
The
it good?
tomato flavor is more than cheese.
It's right.
Of course tomato is going to be more because
I love it. Tomato and cheese.
but Tia doesn't like tomato.
I love
It's very tangy. I hate it. I didn't like it. It's cringe.
Don't. You remember?
You
love Last
tomato?
time-
I'm not. Yes. Okay.
I love the tomato one.
Cheese. 10 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
You like this?
50 out of 10.
Okay, okay.
Tomato and cheese. This one, this. What is the shape? Circle, ring shape. Actually, these are very small ring shapes.
Oh, so good.
Have it. First try it. First. Good. You like it? Is there any tomato flavor? No? No tomato, but still you like it? You like the cheese flavor? Hmm? Actually the flavor is very mild. That's why, but it's good.
Maybe they are targeting small children who taste
that's
buds
why.
are very sensitive.
It's for 2 plus as the age is written.
Yeah. All the chips are kind of sweetness to them at the end.
Sweetness and salt is very less, just like other company chips. Salt content is so much, and oil quantity is also less because they are baked, I think, right?
I left it the camera though.
Not mention baked or what?
It's in the front. सामने लिखा.
I love it.
They are non-fried. Yes.
Carrot and cumin means gajar and jeera. Sticks. You know, there's this cute enemies. Enemies? Anime.
So these are for 2 plus years and
Okay, let's open it.
whole grain,
Yeah.
tough to open.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my god. That is small. So small. Hey, give me one. Give me one. Oh wow.
these
It's
are for
so
2 plus years, so it's going to be small.
Jeera flavor. Yeah.
Can you taste the carrot?
No.
But it's yellow, it should be orange.
Hey.
So Tia, you like the taste? Eat few more. maybe 3-4.
Cumin is more than carrot.
Cumin is more than carrot. Carrot flavor is not that strong.
I can't even taste the carrot. I love just carrot. A little bit. Just a little bit sweet.
Very little aftertaste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nom. It's tasty.
It's tasty. You're going to give how much marks?
It's crunchy. Very good. I love it.
Does it taste healthy? Healthy snacks?
Yeah.
It's not like your other tomato rings.
Yeah.
It's different taste, right?
A 10 on 10. 9 on top 10. 10 on 10? 9 on top 10. 9 on 10. 10 on 10. 20 out of 10. Well done.
She started 100 out of 10, now then 50, then 10. I think next is going to be only 10 out of 10.
Really?
Okay, let's try this another one. This is
It's carrot. Okay, let's have it, Kanika. It's carrot shape. You can just try it. She might be expecting orange color.
Yeah.
Carrots. You like it? Do you like it? Okay.
you want try more?
Have it.
Have some more.
Have more? Okay. She's giving me yours. Thank you. There's no sweetness of carrots. Yes, you like carrots? Okay.
You like the carrot and
Cumin.
maybe it has a mild flavor, that's why she likes it. Oh, not so close.
I love it so. I love it.
They will eat also, right?
I call it. So next is banana and honey stars.
Banana and honey stars. Who likes banana?
I love banana.
You like honey?
Yeah, I love honey.
Are you expecting it to be that much tasty like banana and honey?
I love banana. My one daughter, how are they going to make honey and banana? My mom called me monkey. You are a monkey, my girl. You are a monkey.
Okay, let's try open it and see if these are stars or not.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it smells nice. Oh. Cake. Yeah, banana cake.
It tastes like banana.
It's very small. Stars. I like stars.
So you like this one the most?
I love it. I don't eat too. No. I love that. Very tasty. Let me taste again. Monkey.
It tastes good.
It is amazing. It's like
It's like banana.
Banana honey. Sweet banana.
I like the banana taste, but it's like artificial banana.
इसकी जो स्मेल है ना, एक केक आता है बनाना केक, वैसे ही है.
Tastes like, smell like banana cake.
You know, when you put it on
But-
the tongue, it's sweet. But when you chew it, you get
But you can also smell the taste
Honey.
of this banana.
Yeah.
You like this one?
100, infinity out of 10. Oh.
This is the best one you have tasted from Tamiya's. Out of all four, this is the
This is the
best.
best one. 100 out of 10. Infinity.
Banana and honey. You like honey? See, this is a drop of honey here. And which shape is this?
Star.
Star. You like star shape? Do you like?
This
What
is sweet.
happened? This is sweet. Try it.
Who doesn't like sweet?
You don't like sweet? मिष्टी भाल लगे ना? The thumbs up or thumbs down?
Do you like banana flavor?
Do you like banana? Kanika, taste and say. She don't like the smell also. It's not exactly a banana smell नहीं आ रही है banana के इसमें.
It's more like sweet cake, vanilla cake type thing.
Very mild sweetness. Saltiness is also very mild.
Honey flavor is very less. Banana flavor is not that clear.
Banana. They could add more banana flavor.
You can
There's
try
some smell also.
3-4 together and you might get the flavor.
I'm getting honey, but I'm not getting.
Banana. Kuhu, which one is your favorite? Carrot and cumin.
It's 2 to 102 years. You forget to read it. It's 102.
I got it fixed too. Power.
But if you are over 102, you shouldn't eat them.
I wish I could live that much. 102 years. Then there's no teeth left to chew actually. Good. I mean, those kids actually don't like to be very sweet things. That's why. But the kids who like sweets, they might like it. Please like and subscribe, guys. If you like the videos. And happy Diwali to all of you.
Happy birthday.
It's not happy birthday. It's happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. No, we are not getting.